New 15-liter spray drone features enhanced waterproofing, AI-powered autonomy, and expanded coverage for Japanese farms by DroneLife staff writer Ian J. McNabb. This article published in collaboration with JUIDA, the Japan UAS Industrial Development Association. Japanese domestic drone developer Mazex Corporation, headquartered in Higashiosaka City, Osaka Prefecture, recently announced their new Hisuke 15 agricultural drone. With a larger 15-liter spray tank, improved waterproofing, increased smart battery compatibility, and new dedicated AI tools to make autonomous capability standard compared to the previous Hisuke DX. The Hisuke 15 promises to be a powerful tool to increase agricultural productivity. The new Hisuke 15 can spray a total of 1.5 hectares with one battery. The spraying width has also been significantly increased from the previous model, meaning that fields that once required 3 laps now require only 2. According to their press release, this advance leads to a reduction in working time, making it possible to spray more efficiently when spraying multiple fields or large fields. The controller is powered by Android OS and enables autonomous flight planning and obstacle avoidance. The drone is specially designed for the Japanese market, where use of agricultural spraying aircraft is fairly limited by regulation, and laws regarding pesticide and fertilizer spraying are fairly strict. The Hisuke 15 is often replacing teams of farm workers with hand sprayers, greatly increasing efficiency. If liquid spraying isn't what the situation calls for, the system is also compatible with the VGA granular spraying device, and the propellers are specially designed to avoid interrupting the spray by creating turbulent air. As the first waterproof addition to the Hisuke series, the whole unit can be easily hosed off after spraying and can be easily folded for easy transport and storage. According to their press release, at Mazex, we carefully select the functions we include in our drones and thoroughly refine the performance that is truly necessary, with the aim of popularizing highly practical drones in Japan. More information on the Hisuke agricultural spraying drone is available here in Japanese.